कमेटी के लिए, और क्रिसमस का प्रोग्राम है, क्रिसमस डिनर है। तो बहुत अच्छी मीटिंग हुई, सबको अभी जायज़ा ले रहे थे, पूरा देखे अच्छा पूरा अच्छी तरह से प्रोग्राम करेंगे और सब मिलजुल के काम करेंगे। ऑल डिपार्टमेंट से मीटिंग थी और ऑल डिपार्टमेंट एकदम प्रोफेशनली काम करेंगे, क्योंकि उनको ऑलरेडी पता है क्या करना है। बट लेकिन फिर भी मीटिंग लेके उसको जो भी और दूसरे पॉइंट से वो हम लोग ने बता दिया है कैसे करना है, क्या है। लेकिन इंशाल्लाह देखिए 20 तारीख के दिन अच्छा प्रोग्राम होगा और क्रिसमस का डिनर है, सब लोग आएंगे। क्रिसमस कम्युनिटी के लिए बहुत बड़ा दिन होता है 20 तारीख। क्रिसमस 25 तारीख को क्रिसमस होती है, बट लेकिन दिन का डिनर 4-5 दिन पहले होता है। तो सेम साहब ने टाइम दिया, उसका भी मैं बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करूँगा। और मैं लुक फॉरवर्ड करूँगा कि हम आएंगे उस दिन और अच्छा फंक्शन होगा और क्रिश्चियन कम्युनिटी भी खुश होगी और यहाँ से खुश होकर हम रहेंगे।
Lakshmikant sir, Mr. Wadin, members of SLOC, officers of various departments. First of all, I want to thank everyone here for being present and for such a very important function which is going to happen on the 20th of this month. And I'm sure everybody is aware that the program has to be a very successful one, because since this is my first program as a minority minister, and that too being held at Lal Bahadur. We spent all my formative years playing cricket here at the ground, but I think today is a very different day. I'm here as a minister for minorities, and the people, all the departments over here are very responsible people, and then you have a lot of experience, because I know you know your job and your responsibilities and what role you have to play. So I don't need to really elaborate on that, but I think we have done a very good exercise, but I think it has to be implemented properly, because we can sit here and talk a lot of things, but then if it is not implemented on the ground, it becomes very difficult, it becomes very embarrassing for everybody. And we don't want that to happen, and I myself don't want that to happen, because I am a very professional person. I am trained very professionally, so I would expect everybody to be very professional, because you have your job and you know the responsibilities, and you are very smart, and what you have been doing this for years and years and years, and I expect everybody to be doing their job properly. From my side, you are very free hand, but at the same time, that doesn't mean that you should take it easy. And there are two, three things very important, because for me, the most important thing is the fire department, because it's very important. Because nowadays, with so many fire mishaps are happening, so we need to be very careful. And I'm sure you are very experienced and you know the job. I don't need to tell you what to do, but just a reminder. I'm just reminding. And then I think the most important thing also is food. And please make sure that the quality of the food is very good, and then it should be sufficient for all, because sometimes what happens, because last time I attended the Ramzan iftar function, it was not very properly done. So I want to make a good start, because first impression is the best impression. Always remember that, because if you have a good impression, if you work hard professionally, everybody is satisfied, everybody is acknowledged for what they have done. Because I'm sure the Chief Minister Sahab also will definitely acknowledge, to make sure that you show the Chief Minister Sahab that we can do the function very nicely, and then because his head has to be held high, because that's the most important thing for us, because he has given us time from his very busy schedule. And then the Chairman Sahab is also here. I request him to take care of all the people, especially the RTC buses, because last time I was told that people came very late, because what happens is, if people come half an hour, 45 minutes before, it's easier for the police also to manage them. But at the last minute, when you come, the police, then we start complaining about the police, that the police is being very strict. But at the same time, because they need to be strict, because it is their job. Because I also want everybody on the stage not to rush. Make sure that not to rush at the scene. If everybody comes meet one by one, it's easier for him also to meet, and I'm sure he will definitely meet everybody. And then make sure that whoever is sitting on the on the stage has a pass, because don't allow anybody, if they come without a pass, then it becomes very difficult that such a person is saying, oh, leave my 2 people, leave my 3 people, please don't do that, I am not interested in all that. I myself will not tell, because that is, I am totally against, because मेरा आदमी है छोड़ दो, तेरा आदमी है, 3 4 आदमी आ रहे, I mean the stage, I mean they are just only standing idle, there is no role to play. So people who are the pastor, the archbishop, and who are people who are from the community, please give them the chance, because the function is arranged for them. Function is not arranged for anybody, because that is a Christian community function. The Christian community has to be acknowledged, has to be respected. That is the most important thing for me, because I mean, what happens is because the whole purpose of the program is lost. Because then there is no point holding the program, and then we can have the dinner and go back. So please make sure that we make this program very successful, and especially with the food, you have to be very, very careful. Please look after that thing, and be hygienic, because you need to show hygiene and lot of water and everything, because sometimes it can get very warm, and then there's too much crowd also. I mean, crowd management has to be there. I'm sure the ACP Saab is here, he's done many programs. He's not new to the program, because I've seen him many times, running all the time. You have more experience than anybody else, I'm sure, and I have a lot of faith in everybody who's here that they will make this program very, very successful, and we all go home very happy, with a satisfied heart, with a satisfied mind that okay, we worked very hard, and the results, we have given good results. So that is what is more important here, and I wish everyone here the very best. Best of luck for this program. I mean, everybody knows what to do. I don't need to say anything. I wish everyone here the best, and I'm hoping that everything goes very, very smoothly, and we have a very good program. Thank you very much.